Hello, my name is Angela and I'm going to present my pamphlet of the Unit 12, the Middle Ages. One moment. Okay, we can start. The Middle Ages. The Visigoths. The Vandals, the Alans, and Suevians were tribes from northern Europe, which invaded Hispania in 409 AD. The Romans could not fight these tribes alone, and asked the Visigoths and other Germanic tribes for help. These Visigoths expelled the Vandals and the Alans, and established their own kingdom on the peninsula. The Visigothic kingdom. Initially, the peninsula was controlled by both the Visigoths and the Suevi, who invaded the northwest. The Visigoth kingdom was ruled by a king. One of the most important Visigoth kings was Leovigil, made Toledo the capital of the kingdom and conquered the Suevi. The Visigoth kingdom lasted until 711 AD, when Roderick, the last Visigoth king, was defeated by the Muslims. The Visigothic society. The Visigoths unified their new kingdom by changing their own language, religion, and laws. They became Christians and based their laws on the Roman law. The Visigoth heritage. The Visigoths built small stone churches. They made jewelry with gold, silver, and precious stones. Where we go to the next pamphlet. Al-Andalus. One moment, please, and we'll start. Okay, we'll start. Al-Andalus. The Muslim invasions. Muslims from northern Africa invaded Visigoth Spain in 711. It only took them a few years to defeat the Visigoths. They occupied most of the peninsula and the Balearic Islands. This territory was called Al-Andalus, and its capital was Cordoba. Al-Andalus became a province of the Muslim Empire and was governed by the Caliph of Damascus in Asia. The end of Al-Andalus. The Taifas fought among themselves, and this helped the Christian kingdom to gain territory. New groups of Muslims came from Africa to retain the Taifas. However, in 212, the Christians defeated the Muslims at the Battle of Las Navas de Tolosa. In 492, the Catholic monarchs conquered the only remaining Muslim kingdom, the Kingdom of Granada. Society and cultural heritage. Al-Andalus society was formed by Muslims, Christians, and Jews. It had great scientists, such as doctors, mathematicians, and geographers. Its mathematicians created the system of numbers which we use today. The Muslims made great contributions to society, such as new crops, for example, rice, instruments like the compass, and irrigation system. The Emirate and Caliphate of Cordoba. In 756 AD, Abdurrahman I established Al-Andalus as an independent province of Emirate. In 929 AD, Al-Andalus became a caliphate under Abdurrahman III. He was the caliph, the maximum political and religious authority in Al-Andalus. The caliphate lasted until 1031 AD. During this period, Al-Andalus was divided into a smaller kingdom called Taifas. Where we go to the next and final pamphlet. The Christian Kingdoms. The Christian Kingdoms. The kingdoms are the Kingdom of Portugal, which declared its independence from the Kingdom of Leon. The Kingdom of Aragon, which was formed by the Catalonian countries, the Kingdom of Aragon, Valencia, and Mallorca. The Kingdom of Navarre, which includes Navarre and part of La Rioja. The Crown of Castile, which includes the Kingdom of Castile and the Kingdom of Leon. In later include part of Andalusia. In 1479, Isabel I of Castile married Ferdinand II of Aragon, and the crowns of Castile and Aragon were united. This is a photo of the Christian kingdoms. The medieval society. Medieval society consists of three groups of people. The nobles were very rich and owned land. The clergy were a group formed by monks, bishops, and priests. Most people were peasants, and most of them cultivated land for the nobles. Cultural heritage. In 12th century, the first university, such as the University of Salamanca, were founded. Romanesque style. In the early Middle Ages, such as churches and monasteries were built in Romanesque style. After the 13th century, palaces and cathedrals were built in the Gothic style. Well, this is all. I hope you like it and understood. Bye bye!